welcome to my channel. So it is still my birthday. In this video I am going to be showing you my day out today, and so I hope you guys enjoy. I'm just gonna go ahead and just show you guys what I did today for my 27th birthday, so I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go.
America.
So Matthew and I had gotten ready at this point, and now we're headed to London, and our first destination is Chinatown. So yep, this is just some scenery at this point. So at this point we had already parked, and now we're just walking up to Chinatown, which was about a 15-minute walk from the car park. Hello everyone, I am in Chinatown here in London. So yeah, this is my vlog here. It's my birthday.
Yeah.
And so I am showing you guys around here. Alright, so let's go. So here we are in Chinatown. This is like the main strip, and you'll just find a bunch of different shops just all around, from, you know, restaurants to clothing to pastries. And so it was definitely an interesting experience. So this is it?
Yep.
So this is Chinatown. It is absolutely freezing here. It's my birthday. Hey.
Yeah. Freezing. Freezing.
It's absolutely cold. But yeah, y'all, this is it. Ooh, I look good. Oh. Let me flip around. So yeah, we are just walking. We got some cake. I got some birthday cake from a Chinese shop. And so yeah, we're just walking around now. So this is a Chinese bakery that we went to, and both Matthew and I ended up ordering some cake from there, and it was actually pretty interesting. And these right here are just a bunch of different pastries. After Chinatown, we made our way to the Gordon Ramsay restaurant, and here I am walking. It's absolutely freezing, as you could tell. And for dinner, we ate at the Gordon Ramsay Bar and Grill at Mayfair. And here is my Caesar salad that I ate, which was absolutely delicious. I didn't even know a salad could taste so good. And that is my husband's potato and leek soup. Alright, y'all, so I'm at the Gordon Ramsay restaurant, And Gordon Ramsey is sitting right next to us. I don't know what to think. And yes, we ended up getting a picture.
Eva, happy birthday to you. Hey.
1 second, can I have your camera?
Yes.
Can you hold the camera for me? That's good, so you can hide it in your review.
Make a wish. Hey.
Alright, you guys, so we're back in the car and I am lost for words. Like, we actually saw Gordon Ramsay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we went to the Gordon Ramsay Bar and Grill in London, and we had sat down, ordered our appetizers, and we ended up sitting by the edge, like towards the end of the restaurant. It was like for 2 people to sit, and it's like they have these stairs where it's kind of like a private section, so I'm guessing if you're doing like parties or whatever. So anyways, I ended up using the restroom, was coming out, I sat down, and I just randomly looked to the left, and I said, oh my god, right?
Yeah, like
and
literally.
I literally just froze, and Gordon Ramsay was like, just like waved. Like, I'm pretty sure he gets that expression from people a lot. But and then Matthew ended up looking and was like, oh my god, and we were just frozen for a few seconds because we couldn't even like process what was happening.
Yeah.
But yeah, I just don't know what to say in this vlog other than that was indeed a birthday surprise for me.
It was such a shock. Like, it was a big shock. Like, just walking in like that and seeing him there, he was mad.
Yeah, like
crazy.
we ate, and right when we were about to leave, he started packing. I saw that he was blocked off, so he sat here and somebody was here. The glass was on this side, so the person was like blocking him, so that way the people in the restaurant really don't see. But yeah, so I saw that she started picking up her things, and it looks like I saw him put on his coat and he was about to head out. So we ended up shaking hands with him. He said my dress was nice, and yeah, we took a picture. And so yeah, I'm gonna post a picture on this video, but I don't know what to say, you guys. Like, that was just a shocker. And the funny thing is that last year for my birthday, we attempted to come to the same restaurant, and last year my birthday, it just didn't like work out towards the end when it came to coming to the restaurant. But I guess sometimes you just have to wait for the right timing, and we were also running late as well, and started getting like annoyed about the timing. We were like maybe 45 minutes late than what Matthew had initially booked the table for, but in the end it just worked out. So I don't that's my birthday vlog, you guys. Like, I don't know what else to say to that.
Yeah, it was crazy. Did not expect that. I don't even know what to say. Like, I looked right, I just saw him sitting there. I literally just dropped my spoon and everything. I was like, what?
Yeah,
but it was real surprise.
But Gordon, the restaurant was excellent. It was really good. Like, the food was amazing. I had a Caesar salad, and I didn't even know a salad could taste so good.
Yeah, like literally the food was really nice. I had a cheeseburger, one of these American ones, and the beef was nice and thick and juicy, and it was really good. The food was very well done, and the waiters were incredible as well.
Yeah.
Shout out to BT.
Yes, BT was our waiter.
BT was our waiter, and he was incredible. Incredible customer service.
Yes, so overall, excellent experience. And then actually meeting Gordon Ramsay was the icing on the cake.
Yeah.
So that was the Gordon Ramsay experience at his restaurant today.
All of you guys go check it out. You might see Gordon Ramsay there. If you
never
don't,
know.
The food will be amazing.
Yes. All right, you guys. So
take care.
Yep. I guess this is gonna be the ending of my birthday vlog. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'm 27 today.
Woo!
I'm only 3 years away from 30. But yes, I hope you guys enjoy. All right.
Peace.
Take care. God bless, and see you guys soon. Bye.
Ciao.